In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Shenron wish system, how it works, and the best order to make sure that your wishes go through for the biggest power boost. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point with this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, Shenron actually does appear after you collect and grind Dragon Balls. Once you summon him, you'll get the chance to choose from several powerful rewards, so picking the right order is important. One option is Power, which is going to unlock Broly the Beast. This unit is extremely strong and works as a tanky DPS character, making it great for raids and tougher battles. Another option is the Passive Upgrade, which does give you a permanent Super Saiyan style damage boost that activates every 20 to 30 seconds, giving your squad about 10% extra damage for a short time. There's also cards, which will give you an extra perk every time, or extra pack every time, excuse me, you do summon. This is great for players who are constantly pulling units since it's effective and it increases your summons over time. And finally, there's luck, which will permanently increase your luck stat. Higher luck obviously improves your chances of getting better capsules, mythic units, and rare drops. The best wish order for most players is going to be cards, since the extra pack for the summon adds up extremely quickly and lets you build stronger units faster. Second, luck, because it does boost your overall drop rates and improves your chances of getting rare units. Third is passive. And then finally, you have power right after that. After setting up your wishes, focus on grinding World 5 raids and waves in order to maximize your rewards and climb the leaderboards. And of course, you can do that by just heading to the world option over there. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on though. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.